Ozone's expansion plans, because they are phenomenal. You're a small team, an agile team, but you are making things happen around the world. Please share more.
Yeah, sure. I mean, we've only been going 4 years. We're kind of organically self-funded. We provide software for just over 50 banks and financial institutions now in the UK, Europe, Latin America, Middle East. And our model is really to extend that significantly through partnerships. So we have a very strong partnership model in different parts of the world. We focus on the software and some of the core enabling services, and we work with our partners so that they can provide the implementations into the individual banks, and they can provide the third-party services on top of the core API. So what we do is really just provide a very thin layer that deals with all the complexity of open banking and open finance. It deals with the identification of third parties, the security model between banks and third parties to ensure the APIs are secure. It deals with the consent management, and then it maps whatever banking system or API that the bank has already got, it maps that to a common standard. And that's really our USP, is that we are very much standards focused. We want to make sure banks and financial institutions all over the world can meet all of the requirements of the standard and do it properly, so that it just works. It works out of the box, if you like. And that's really what we're trying to do on a global scale.
So all over the world, global scale, is a massive opportunity, but to be selective, where are you going next?
Well, so I think the big areas for expansion for us now are the rest of the Middle East. We're already working in Bahrain and Saudi Arabia. The rest of the Middle East is now starting to implement open banking over the next few years. And in Latin America, we're already quite active through our partner in Brazil, but the rest of Latin America is following soon quickly. So there's everywhere from Chile, Mexico, Argentina, everywhere's looking at open banking, and whether it's a strong regulatory driver or not, what we're trying to help influence, if you like, is the conformance to a good standard that works, that's already tried and tested. Because we've seen the UK standard started to work really well now. Brazil has largely copied that and fixed some of the issues and filled in some of the gaps. And we're seeing this now in different parts of the world, that there is an appetite, if you like, to follow what's working and build on top of that. And so if we can help encourage regulators and standards bodies globally to follow that and build on that rather than trying to reinvent the wheel, I think that makes a lot more sense, and it will speed up the implementation in the markets.